Beach time! Great to be back. Hurry up, girls!
I'm embarrassed. I don't wear skimpy stuff. Don't be shy. He will be totally under your spell.
Huh?
Don't look away now, girl. It's hard. I mean, look at that chiseled bod.
Ain't that the truth?
You want to say something, nerd? Ack.
You look great. Tiger?
You too, nerd.
Let's have tons of fun today.
Yeah. Look at those two, getting along.
That's what you wanted to see, right?
Yep, I'm satisfied. Now I want more.
Seeing that kiss was like a taste of forbidden fruit for her.
Sure is hot.
Yep.
Can you put this sunblock on my back?
Be back.
Please be gentle.
Ah, this is empty.
Already? That was quick.
Well, it's my first time and
Don't worry, I always keep spares. Woo! For some reason, Jock really likes the taste of these. Ah! No! This is not for eating!
Bah! Why is all the yummy stuff forbidden?
The worst was his Play-Doh addiction.
His skin is so smooth. You can put some in my back too, nerd. He's so gentle and slimy. Wait, slimy.
Looks like you made a new friend.
Get out of here! I regret nothing.
What are you sneaking there, Jock?
Just fetching my new water Gatling gun. Nerd is in for a surprise.
Yo!
Huh?
Fine! Do it! Give me a warrior's death!
I have no idea what to make of this. Just accept it's normal with them.
Come on, bro! Show us what you got!
Just this once.
What a show off. System shock. Look at nerd go.
He's like a fish.
Don't you dare touch him.
Are you okay, nerd?
Hey, I know this guy.
Ouch! I cut finger on a sharp rock. What are you doing?
Sorry, he was just trying to stop the bleeding.
Oh, then please continue.
It seems to have stopped already.
It has. Oh my! It started bleeding again.
I think we better get you to an emergency.